Folks, it's the last day of the Missouri School Plant Managers Association Conference. And we're kind of, as you can see, we're kind of in the hall in between classes, getting those last minute talks. And this guy here, I'm right next to the coffee bar. So as he was getting his morning coffee, I snagged him here to talk about what does Smith Systems do. And it's Josh Murphy, right?
Absolutely, yes, sir. So Smith System is a furniture manufacturer. We specialize in K to 12. So here, talking with educators, administrators on the different ways that we can help them transform their classrooms, transform their schools, providing flexible, collaborative furniture that gives what educators are looking for most: flexibility and choice in the way that they go about their pedagogy and learning methodologies in their classrooms.
Things have changed quite a bit here in the last couple of years with classrooms. I suppose that making furniture and putting furniture in rooms has changed a bit.
Absolutely. As we begin to look about how furniture can affect that space, how furniture can affect learning experience on campus, how it can actually impact student success, teacher success. We take it a little bit more seriously than we used to just throwing a desk and a chair in the classroom, right?
Yeah, how many kids can we shove in a room, right?
Right. So there's some thought behind it and how we can, transform some of those spaces to allow a lot more flexibility. And it's beyond the classroom. It's maker spaces, STEM labs, looking at new and emerging spaces that we're seeing in education, esports, virtual reality. So, one of the commitments that Smith System has to educators is that we're always staying ahead of the curve of where things are going in the classroom and where things are going on campus. So our commitment to you, to our design community, is to launch new products every 6 to 7 months to, again, always stay ahead of that curve of where things are going in the classroom.
So what's coming in 23? Give me a look over into 23.
We've got some very exciting things coming for you. 2023 is going to be a big year here for Smith System. We just launched our new numbers, desk and chair, blow molded technology, great comfort, great flexibility. But at Ed Spaces this year at Portland, if anybody's going to be attending that conference, we will be launching a whole new collection of soft seating, our flow form lounge. So be excited to see that, along with some new extensions of outdoor learning as we explore those new spaces and bring products to life.
Outdoor learning, hey, back in the day, now folks, you can't see me, I'm behind the camera, but I'm not as young as Mr. Josh here. So I remember back in the day when we sat on the grass for outdoor classes.
Yeah.
Don't do that anymore.
Well, it can be as simple as that. And, our studies have shown that putting students outside and, putting them in those outdoor environments, whether it just be, social spaces or actually learning, is so beneficial for the students. Not only the learning aspect of it, the psychological, but the emotional, social, benefits of putting students outside and letting them, explore those spaces and breathe the fresh air. So if we can allow our students, our teachers, to expand the environment and do true studying outside, because as we know now, we're not tethered to a wall with our technology. We can, take our iPads, our laptops anywhere. So if we can have spaces that are truly dedicated for learning in those outdoor environments.
Well, and talking about being anywhere, here we are. I set up out of my backpack on a table, and you can do this anywhere.
Absolutely, yeah. And that's the big benefit with technology now, is that you can learn anywhere, you can teach anywhere. So providing that flexibility of the space is very, very important.
So, folks, if you're thinking about furnishings, which probably isn't your number one thing that you're thinking about for students,
right,
it does affect learning because it all goes to it.
Absolutely, yeah. So check us out, smithsystem.com. We have a very robust website there, tons of great images, products. So give us a shout. We'd love to help you on any projects that you may be working on.
And do they get hold of you particularly?
Absolutely, yeah. So I'm the regional sales manager for Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. So all of our contacts here in Missouri, give me a call, give me a buzz email, and I'm happy to walk you through and talk about the different ways that we can help you out.
So let's throw your email up there, Josh. Come on.
All right, it's Josh M, like Josh Murphy, Josh M at smithsystem.com. Looking forward to hearing from you all soon.
Thanks for coming by, Josh.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.